This is going to be an awesome cook. Check that out. This here is the Salt Lick Texas honey pecan, whichever way you want to say it, barbecue sauce. Like no other, from our family in Driftwood, Texas. Yeah, I've read all this. Anyway, so what we have is we got some wings going in the zgrills right now. You don't need to see that. You know how to do that. And we got some Uncle Steve shake on it. The regular, always down in my description, how to link to that, to him, and get that. It's going to be all about the Salt Lick Texas honey pecan sauce. Taste test today, y'all. Yeah, we'll be back. Make it short and sweet for you. I'll see if I can find a link to this. Sounds good, doesn't it? Yeah. Alright, let's see what we got going on right here. These are just the wings with Uncle Steve's regular on them. We're going to add the sauce next. Gotta give them a temp. Alright, it's time to sauce it up. They've hit that magic number. I don't want to taint this. I should have put some in a bowl. But what we're going to do, I'm going to put it on. We'll just do it this way. I'm missing a lot. I think this pecan stuff is going to be awesome. Let me get the rest of these done. I got some on the crock of my foot. Yeah. We all sauced up. Over 165 degrees on the chicken. And we're going to let it seal in there. And we'll do a taste test. Yeah, we're going to call that done. Woo! Looks fantastic. Alright, let's do a taste test. Let's do this right here. Wow! Want that flavor. I taste the pecan, the honey. Woo! This little sucker here, I just threw this in there. It's from Tommy, the barbecue, backdoor barbecue, something like that. Look at that. I'm going to make these, but I'm trying to still work on it. It's my candy bacon. It's still raw in the middle. I'm working on that. I'm going to try and figure that one out for another video. That is so tasty. You know what? I guarantee you this Salt Lick on some bacon would be freaking awesome. It really would. If I find a link to this on the internets, I'll leave it. Thank you. It was really good. Really good. But them little bacon things, they blew me away. Awesome, awesome, awesome. It's Papa, Texas. See you next Sunday. See you.